CleanEx this year has been a really successful show for us. It's given us the ideal opportunity to showcase our wide range of equipment to industry professionals. I have to say that all of the equipment's gone down really positively.
Oh, it's been absolutely fantastic to see people in the laundry industry so they can actually see some of the pumps which they may have only seen on a brochure or online on a tech data sheet. They can see them in the flesh, understand how they work and really understand how they can really benefit. Yeah, it's been a fantastic couple of days, really impressive stand that we've got here, and looking forward to speaking to some more people as the day goes on.
It's been a massive success. We've met a lot of new customers, prospective customers, and also our existing customers have come down, they've met us and they've seen actually what we've got to show. We've got a brilliant stand here, got all of our central dosing unit here, and then the LS100 down there, which has had a lot of interest, so I'm really excited to see what we actually get from the CleanEx show.
Yeah, I think it's been really beneficial for SEKO to be here and seeing all like the end users and existing customers and obviously potential new customers, and seeing how the SEKO kit works for them, and the feedback's been absolutely brilliant.
Today and yesterday has been an amazing success. We are literally flooded with visitors, very happy. A lot of new contact. Existing customer came, existing partners came, so it's been a very good exhibition. And we launched the LS100 in big style also here. So very happy. Thank you for all the team that has helped us to make this event great. Cheers.